it would be like stripping somebody who's not a Muslim, a woman having her top and bra removed in public. I mean, it is that level of humiliation.
Attorney David Shammy represents 4 Muslim women claiming their hijabs were forcefully removed by law enforcement officers. Arizona leaders of the Council on American Islamic Relations say this video is proof.
Give it back!
In April 2024, the women were arrested on criminal trespassing charges during a pro-Palestinian demonstration on ASU's Tempe campus.
There was absolutely no justification for stripping those women of their religious head coverings.
A lawsuit was filed this summer against university officers and administrators, the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, and the Arizona Department of Public Safety. According to the complaint, all agencies were involved in arresting and transporting protesters to jail. Shammy says his client's First Amendment rights were violated.
What they should have done was to remove the women from public view.
The lawsuit accuses a sheriff's deputy of instructing other officers to remove the hijabs during the arrests, citing MCSO's policy to do so. Shammy says it's part of a pattern, pointing out the sheriff's office has been sued in the past over similar allegations.
I think part of the problem is they've never really had to pay enough financially to make it hurt, to make them actually care.
In December 2024, MCSO's religious head coverings policy was updated. The current procedure is to preserve religious freedoms and provide reasonable accommodations. Now, any searches that require hijab removals should be done in private by a deputy that is the same gender as the detainee.
Where was this policy a decade ago?
So deputies say the reason to remove a hijab during an arrest is to make sure no weapons are hidden. The Department of Justice opened a racial discrimination investigation into these arrests. But I'm told that once President Donald Trump took office, that investigation was... Reporting live, Micaela Marshall for Arizona's Family.